Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time being here, did you guys miss me? So I haven't been recording any YouTube videos because, as y'all know, my camera got stolen and I still haven't replaced it. I really don't like to record on my phone because of the storage, and literally, if y'all could see the way I'm holding this phone right now, you'd see how uncomfortable it is. Today, we're doing a 6-month lock update. I've had my locks for about 6 months now. I'll put the exact date that I got them somewhere on the screen. So we're going to do washing, basically maintenance. We're going to wash, retwist, and style it today. Today, we're partnering with QVR Hair. We're going to do a cute little Valentine's Day style. I'm going to hurry up and try to get this video out for you guys before Valentine's Day. Anyways, that's enough rambling. Let's get into the video. We're going to start with washing my hair.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Maybe you should know this. I ain't going.
I retwist my hair while it's wet, and I don't put a lot of product on it, like gel. I just use like the tiniest bit of the BTL gel. Main products that are in my hair are moisturizing products. For the past 6 months, I've never had to do like one of the detoxing treatments or anything because I never really have buildup in my locks. When you're moisturizing your hair, don't forget your scalp. Like, I focus on my scalp and my ends, even though that's like the whole thing. It's oil, but it's, I don't know, it's like a gel. And it's so shiny. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the scalp. My nails are like ripping my hair out right now, but YOLO. I have like these charms on them, but I love them. Shout out to my girl Kai. They do not play with the nails. So now the hair is moisturized. It's moisturized, it's a little damp though. So I'm about to do my skincare and then I guess start on this retwist.
I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known.